What's up YouTube? How's everybody doing today? My name's Jeremy and this is my channel. Now a lot of you are wondering, who is this kid? Well, I'm Jeremy. I am just starting out on the YouTube and a lot of you are wondering what my channel is going to be about. Well, it's going to be a car channel. I do have a lot of project cars that I'm working on. I have daily drivers that I'm always modifying and stuff like that. My main project car on this channel will be a 1957 Chevy Bel Air, and of course you guys will see that right here. So this channel right now will be mostly on my dad's car. This is his dream car. It is a 1957 Chevy Bel Air. As you can see right now, it's just a frame. We're doing a frame up restoration on it, myself and my dad, with the help of my brother and my mom. It is a slow process. We have the car for quite a few years now. Now the frame will be is going to be sent out soon to get sanded and powder coated. Also, the shop that's taking the frame is going to be doing some repairs to it. There's a couple of holes in it, plus one of the front pieces up there that the bumper connects to looks like it was hit, so they're going to have to fix that also. This is the body to the 57 Bel Air. It does have a lot of rot to it. We are in the process of ordering a new one through a company in Florida that restamps these. So they will remake this whole body from brand new steel. As you can see, there's a lot of pitting going on in certain areas. Missing a floor. There's a lot of rot, and the rocker panels are all trashed. So it's just going to be easier for us to buy a new body instead of putting the money into this body here. Now this is my dad's childhood dream car. It was made in the same year he was. This was something he always wanted, and a few years back he was able to get that. Paid $1,000 for it. It seemed like it was in great shape when we got it, but of course, you know, things are always covered up by body putty and stuff like that. So we bought the car, brought it home, got it running, took it out for its first drive, and then we started to repair it. Now my dad didn't just wanted this a simple build, you know, but as we started to dig further and further into it, we found out that it was hit. There was a lot of body panels that were cut and replaced. Plus these were done years and years ago, so the quality of it was horrible. So as we started digging more and more into the body, we realized that it's going to be a lot of work to just repair a body. So I found a company in Florida that restamps those bodies, and what they do is they use better quality steel, and it's going to cost right around $16,000 for the body. But I figured with the repairs that this body that we have now needs, is probably going to cost around that same price. So might as well just get a brand new body. So I figured if we get the new body, might as well do all the work to the frame, get the frame powder coated, sand it down, fixed. And then recently we started ordering all the parts that we needed. There's still a lot more to come in. Plus, most of the money that comes from this YouTube channel will be going straight into my project cars, mainly the Bel Air. For the other cars, my truck, that is a sort of a daily driver, not as much, but that is a truck that I like to modify. So guys, if you're just starting out on my channel, this is one of my vehicles. This is a 2014 Chevy Silverado 1500. This will be the Rally Edition truck. Now this was the Rally 1 Edition truck, which it came with chrome rims, chrome running boards, stuff like that. But I've done a lot of modifications to it. I've done the 22-inch black rims and tires. I've done the smoked out taillights, license plate cover, and the third brake light up top. I also did a cold air intake. Alright guys, this truck has the 5.3 liter in it. The motor modifications that I've done to it so far is just a cold air intake by K&N Air Systems. Very simple bolt up. No real modifications, nothing like that. It also makes it a lot easier to get to the headlight bulbs with this air intake in here. Also, some of the modification I've done to it also is window tint. I've done 5%. That goes all the way around. Don't mind the truck, guys. It's kind of messy in here. I got to get it all cleaned out. I also did a subwoofer box. This goes to all the way to the other side. It holds two 12-inch subwoofers, and it will be the Alpine subwoofers. And it's also going to have Alpine subs. It's going to have two 10-inch subwoofers in it. The box was custom made for the truck to fit underneath the back seat, and they are down firing subwoofers. So that means that the subwoofers face down to the floor. Other than that, oh, and the truck has an exhaust. Technically exhaust. It has a muffler removed, and it just has the stock resonator at the tip. So it sounds good, and it's not too loud, but I am working on getting that resonator cut off. My buddy of mine owns a shop, and he does all that custom work. Great guy. For the Vic, the 2004 Crown Vic, that has a few stuff done to it, not like performance mods or anything like that. That just has simple maintenance repairs done to it, like front suspension. The intake on it was replaced. It does have a sound system, a complete full sound system. It's got a new head unit. It has an Alpine amp, a single 12-inch subwoofer, and then it has all the blue lights in it. I'll show you that more as we progress. Right now this video is just to talk about me and what's going to be on my channel. Also, I need insight from you guys on which ones you'd like to see more of, less of. But other than that, oh, plus the 2019 Polaris Ranger. Right now, that, like I said, all I have done to it is I put a fuse box in it. I have the front pod lights that you saw. I did the windshield, the roof, the rear window. For future riding videos, there will be riding videos. That's when I get free time. As you know, YouTube's not a full-time job for me. It's just a part-time thing. I do have a full-time job. But other than that, wrapping up the video, that's what my channel is going to be about, is just adding performance modifications or mods to my daily vehicles, and then the build process of my dad's car, the 57 Bel Air. Other than that, it's great to meet you guys. In the comments below, tell me what I could do better. As you know, that editing is going to be crappy on this because I'm just starting out and this is my first video. So any comments are appreciated. But other than that, I'll catch you guys later.